Hello, and welcome back to another episode of The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. In the last episode, we finally got to Ruto Village, and we got our armor set finally for this place. Between episodes, I went ahead and upgraded it 2 tiers, so now we have probably the best armor we have in the entire game so far. But I want to re-equip Master Sword. Okay. So we're going to continue climbing up this place to see if we can't find our next quest. You look like you could use a chatting. Okay, can't talk to you. Gotta go talk to the chief first. Can do. Volley's landing. You're an arrogant douche. Hey, it's Weebird! Hello, Weebird. How come I can't see? There you are. There you are. You are a fledgling because you look off. Alright. I think... Yeah, there's Big Boss. That's right. Cool. Very good. Alright, time to climb. Alright, where's the next ledge at? This. You know there's gonna be a Korok up here somewhere. Let that recharge. Alright. Keep on going. This one might be a bit of a sticky situation. No, I think I can come over here and stop climbing. Aim that little bit of my wheel. Alright, let's go. There we go. There's a Korok. Seriously? Why can't I aim higher up? What is this bullshit? Whatever. Okay. Whoa, that was bad. Don't do that. Okay. It's kind of odd that I couldn't recharge there, but it is fine. We'll get there. This isn't gonna go well. I don't get up and over this ledge. Shit! Come on, why did that make me fall? Mother bitch. Alright, fine. No. 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 Sure. I feel like I should have been able to stand on that, but whatever. I'm doing that bullshit angle climb. I feel like I should have been able to stand. You're kidding me, right? I get all the way up here and there's nothing here? Seriously? There's gotta be another Korok up here somewhere. Come on. Why would... There really isn't. Why the hell is there not? Very strange. Well, that has me curious for both of those. First things first. That. Okay. These are luminous stones, huh? Sure. Alright. Jeez, awkward. Another one down. This should be enough for a new weapon, I think. Okay. Did, mind you, I saw a platform over here on this one. There it is. Got it. Not too shabby. All right, cool. Let's go back up there. Now that we've done that, gives us a little bit more of the Korok seeds, which I probably need to swing back by the woods and give those the Hetsu so I can get more gear slots. All right, let's go talk to that hurt Ruto now and there he is. Please do. Tulin, that's his name. Alright. I guess I gotta go talk to Tulin's mom. This must be it. Oh, I'm glad I chatted, because apparently I need... Is there a memory there, or is this just me remembering something else? I'm assuming this just is him remembering something else, and this isn't actually a memory.
Impressive, I know. Very few can achieve a mastery of the sky. Yet I have made an art of creating an updraft that allows me to soar. It's considered to be quite the masterpiece of aerial techniques, even among the Ruto. With proper utilization of my superior skills, I see no reason why we couldn't easily dispense with Ganon. Now then, my ability to explore the firmament is certainly of note. But let's not, pardon me for being so blunt, let's not forget the fact that I am the most skilled archer of all the Ruto. Yet despite these truths, it seems that I've been tapped to merely assist you. All because you happen to have that little darkness-sealing sword on your back. I mean, it's just asinine. Unless you think you can prove me wrong, maybe we should just settle this one-on-one. But where? Oh, I know. How about up there? Oh, you must pardon me. I forgot you have no way of making it up to that divine beast on your own.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me that he was kind of an asshole. Alright, where the hell is this place at? Oh, it's showing me where it is. Oh, well, it said if I took off from there. What lame ass shit is that? Oh, maybe it's from over here, taking off that way. Yeah, well. Okay. What's with the sign? Oh, it's where one of the Fang and Bone things is. Need a photo of him. Does he just appear? Just hanging around for a second. There's a quest to get a picture of him that I messed up on that I should have done when I first found him. So just kind of waiting around for that to occur. Really? Rain? Wasn't enough to tell you to piss off, huh? Well, looks like you're pissing off anyways. Are you gonna try something, Skippy? Yeah, that's right. You better run. Oh, you picked a fight with me, buddy. There he is. Cool. Do you have any? Oof, mug. There. Take another one. And let's go ahead and put a marker here. I think that would be a good idea. In case I need to do anything else with him. Come back for him. Alright, moving on. Is that a woolly rhino? Oh, they can. They're back. Dick. Oh boy, dodge! Gotcha. Alright, buddy. Can die. I have a torch I can drop. That's just a tree branch. I don't need that. Fire keys. Or ice keys, I mean. Gotcha. Surprised you didn't come chasing after me. Okay. Let's go do this shrine right quick. All right. What is the task in this path of the hidden bins? Huh? Thanks for that. $50. Alright, where's the next platform? There we go. Oh, I have a memory of this one. Why can't I go higher? I can't get any higher. Okay. Find it odd that Alright. Come on, man. Why can't I catch the draft? There. Good lord. Where the shit am I supposed to go now? Found it. Oh, god damn it. Well, catch the draft, man. Catch the draft. Go, go, go. was that bullshit? All right. All right, cool. Got that. What is it? All right, I guess. It wasn't worth me taking the detour, but fine. I love when that happens. It's twice that's happened where I hit an invisible edge. At least we did it. Right. Okay. Moving on to this. I remember this was kind of a bear, but I think I'm probably going to be okay with it this time.
Yeah? I don't know you. And I'm actually pretty busy here. You should probably go.
Okay. I can help you. Then let's get started. Actually, destroy 5 targets in 3 minutes. Cool.
Not bad. Keep it up.
Didn't know there were so many.
That's it. One more. Perfect.
Okay. Did I really struggle with that last time? I guess I just hadn't done archery in the air when I first came here.
Huh.
Falcon bow. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure the bow I've got equipped is about to bust, so... Thanks for that. Ooh, 20. Thanks, pal. What's the plan?
Huh.
I'm ready. Get on, huh? All right, let's go, baby. You're a lot nicer than Rivali. Actually offering me a lift. All right, bomb arrows. Yeah, my cold protection's just dandy, pal. Let's go.
It's on you. Watch out. Out of the way. targeting us! That's it! We're in hot!
Two of them done.
Be careful! One more.
Not so bad.
Out of the way! We're in hot! We did
Got
it.
him. All right. For that. All right, cool.
Well done, Link.
Thank you.
That thing is history.
What happened? Oh, when did he get?
Bad news, Link. Looks
Bless.
like I got hit pretty good back there. I think I need to get back to the flight range. I just hope that I can make it back. You head down to Meadow. Good luck. It's all you.
Fine, I guess I'll take care of it myself. I might have been a wee bit more stressed last time because I probably only had the 20 bomb arrows. Okay.
Well now, I've seen that face before.
Oh, piss off.
I had a feeling you would show up eventually, but making me wait 100 years is a bit indulgent. You're here to wrest control of Meadow away from Ganon, correct? If so, then the first thing you'll want to do is find yourself a map. That guidance stone has the information for the layout of this divine beast. Can you make it there?
I'll do more than make it there. I'll survive this place, unlike you. Destroy that nonsense. Thank you. Awesome. Oh, piss. Let's not waste that on him. Can I get a lift off, please? Oh my god. Good lord. Really? You're still here? I don't see you over there. Can I hit him for... Perhaps with one of these I can. Got him. Get rid of that. Now the question is, how the hell do I get across from there? Alright. Okay, I really am not sure how I'm supposed to do that. There's got to be a way to get enough air to glide at least to the next segment, because I have a feeling that's what I got to do. Son of a bitch. There's no fine tooth on this. It's just either all or nothing. I think I win, Skippy. Alright, let's get the map. Okay.
You'll need to look closely at your map of the Divine Beast. The terminals that will activate Meadow are marked by those glowing points. You'll need to activate all of the terminals to take back control. Think you're up to it?
All right, well, that is going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope to see you in the next part. In the meantime, y'all, stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Later.